at Falcon Lake, Manitoba. We are right now currently on the lake, as you can see. We are fishing for bass we're trying to get, and I just caught a pike, which is amazing, and we're using red jig heads and red twister tails, and that's what they're biting currently. So, catch you guys when we catch another fish.
Record. It is. Philip, don't have your rod like that. Keep it more down. Up! Lift her up.
Ooh, what a pike.
Oh, better keep that one on.
Oh,
Sorry.
That is. Why are they? Look at the color on that thing.
What?
Look
Oh,
look
wow.
Why is it like this? Here, I'll pick it up.
Oh, Jake hit it already.
Yeah.
First pike. That's not an eater.
First fish.
It
is?
Yeah.
You think that'll do?
We're not gonna eat it though.
No? Why not actually? I kind of want to eat pike today.
It's too small.
Here, I'll take it.
This area
Oh,
seems
it's got
weird. Obviously, it's a pike.
There seems a lot of pike to be over
Oh, there it is.
No, Philip, put it closer to you. It looks like it's 40 inches. Yeah, just chuck her back.
Oh, yeah. Quick picture. Now.
It's tiny. Here she goes. Oh. I think it's fast. The way it's staying out. Yeah. What's your other? No.
fast. Yeah, it was pretty wide.
Yeah!
Let's go! That's here. You want to keep the hook good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna Whistler jig and whatever that thing is. Very small. I got it. You don't have teeth, right? I can just hook them up. Wait, I just want to get this over. Show my first smallmouth. You got a med. That's probably like 14. Oh, that might be. I don't know.
Show the camera.
Hold it tight. No.
Lars.
Oh yeah.
They're small. That's so sick.
This is sick, boys. Yes, we got.
First ever smallie. First smallie of the trip.
Okay.
Nice 15.5 or 16 inches. What are you holding out like that? Yeah! Woo! Just got this little walleye. Had thinking it was a bass. And now it's on the ground. But look at that perky dorsal. I love that. Alright, well, I'm gonna eat this guy. Staying down like a bass and a walleye, but ooh, this is a big fish. Big head shakes. The other walleye did not do this head shakes. So either it's a big walleye,
Oh, yeah, I see that.
maybe a pike. I hope it's not a pike.
I kind of think it might be a pike.
Philip, stop saying that. I think it's a bass.
Where is it, dude?
I have a lot of line out. Staying down like.
What?
Oh,
Dang it, it's a little pike.
Pike! You son of a gun! Oh, here. Fill it.
Chill.
Popped off. Should we keep it?
Yes. Just think about it.
Is there some pike? I'm like. Look at his teeth. He's got like no teeth. Nice teeth. Why are they like that?
There is nothing in there.
Yes, there is.
There's no look.
Yes. There's only one hook here. Oh, never mind. There.
What? Told you. Hold it. Take the pike out. Yes.
Nice little walleye here.
A slimy pike on a little crawfish. And we're gonna release her right now, right here.
She goes.
Let her go.
Pike. Gross. No, just kidding. They're just no fun. Wash them off. Wait for it to kick off. So let's try to catch it again.
Right.
Oh.
Oh!
And the thing is, it's gonna get better. Oh yeah. I like the tip. Best for last. Sound
Right
so
one.
delicious.
Yeah, I love the sound.
I like it when they sizzle. You know?
This is gonna be fire. Little island in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna fish it. Just caught this beautiful walleye. Oh, the jerkbait just fell right out. Love that. Let me just get this guy out.
Don't be scared. Dude, you're gonna get spined. Just grab him in the gills. Hurry up.
2 seconds.
I wanna keep fishing. Did you pick him up? Dude.
Hey,
Dude,
that way.
you can't pick him up, obviously. Here. Oh, maybe not. Huh.
Yeah, we're
The
gonna
wall.
keep this sucker and eat him up. Is he pushing that net?
Bass on, boys.
You sure it's a bitters?
Oh, it's a bass. Yep, bass.
Come, bring it here, bring it here.
Is that oh, it's a pike. Are you freaking serious? What is weird? Pikes are
There's that walleye.
There's no point in recording.
Yeah.
Pike. Gross. Just caught this nice little smallmouth. First smallie ever. It's not exactly big, but you know what? I'm not too worried about it. It's so cool. I love this thing. Alright, I'm gonna let her go. Just gonna get some pictures and then let her go.
Do you have the smallmouth? Oh, it's cute.
Just caught this little pike. Release her. There he goes.
That's a nice one.
Bring to the front side of the boat.
Recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good one.
Bring front side of the boat. Ooh, yeah.
Nice bass, dude. I can have it. Keep it? Or maybe not. Oh, he's barely hooked.
Do you think this will be?
Oh! Oh, wow.
Just came off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we keep a bass? I kind of want to try it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. This one looks good.
I'll see.
I want to keep a few bass.
We'll measure it first. See how big. That's actually a decent one. What's that beat on this? I doubt it, actually. Probably will. It's got a nice little bass. We're gonna probably keep this guy and then eat him. Probably look like an idiot like that, but there you go.
Just caught this little snot rocket right here. We're gonna chuck her out. There she goes.
We're on recording.
I think this is a bass, yeah.
Oh!
Oh.
I just saw him spit that. Dang it.
Dude, something
Just caught this little smallmouth. We're gonna release this little sucker. There he goes. Just caught another little piker. These buggers are getting annoying. There he goes.
Be small, be small.
Here you go.
Can you reel your voice?
Yeah.
Here, I'll come over.
Oh! I don't know if it's big or not. It's a bass, but I don't know how big it is.
Oh!
That's a big bass.
No, it isn't.
Okay, whatever.
It's fighting like a pig.
Okay, bring it close, bring it close.
Big hit, bass.
Oh, that was close.
Get it.
There you go.
Finally! Woo! Oh, my phone's soaked though.
Tow motor?
Wait.
15 incher.
Nice little bass.
Yeah.
Just caught this another little smallmouth, and we're gonna release this guy right now, right here. There he goes. Next target.
Pass net. Big bass?
I don't think so.
Oh! I think that's a big bass, Lars. Okay, you just both flip it. He caught the same fish again.
No, he hooked my lure.
Yeah, I'm just gonna record. Yeah, I got it. You get it? Okay, yeah, you got it. Sweet. Nice little snot rocket.
Imagine having a camera, like, tagged right on.
There she goes. Another bass. It's pretty small. Move. Just go on the other side. No, not you, fella. Oh. Another one. What's a decent one?
Oh, it's popped right off.
It's a bit bigger than that. Oh, now we're turning close. We can tell the water.
There you go.
Nice. Pretty good one.
Ooh, big head shakes.
Yeah.
Big bass, not big.
Small bass. Oh, that's a decent bass.
Let's go! Came off
Decent
right
bass.
there. Hey, my first bass.
That's actually a decent one. It's probably the same as mine.
Yeah.
Pull her out.
Lipper, right?
Yeah. Nice bass. That's a big one. Nice 17-inch walleye. Oh, not walleye. Smallmouth bass. Just let it go. Come on, baby. There she goes. Sweet. Smallmouth on the crank. Yeah. That was so cool.